20 skills to learn in your 20s. Number 1. Book reading. Number 2. Effective learning. Number 3. Decision making. Number 4. Writing. Number 5. Meditation. Number 6. Self-motivation. Number 7. Cardio exercise. Number 8. Solo tasking. Number 9. Financial surveys. Number 10. Investing. Number 11. Savings. Number 12. Banking. Number 13. Communication. Number 14. Negotiation. Number 15. Networking. Number 16. Persuasion. Number 17. Self-discipline. Number 18. Time management. Number 19. Consistency. Number 20. Flexibility.